My face really looks so pale. I'm just from washing it because of this skincare video. Anyways, hey, welcome back to my daily uploads. So our first ingredient, we are going to be using potatoes. Yes, a potato contains enzymes which helps to brighten skin and get rid of dark spots. You can even use potato juice to lessen the appearance of dark circles and gently on your skin will also be exfoliated. Yes, so it also has some other amazing benefits like reducing signs of aging if used at least 3 times in a week, increase glow, and also decrease the appearance of hyperpigmentation. If you want to get rid of dark spots, acne, and any impurities on the skin, you will have to use raw potato juice as a cleanser on your face on a daily basis. The antioxidants present in potato juice can also help you reduce the age, spots, and wrinkles. It is an amazing choice for skin moisturization. So what we are going to do, we are going to peel it off, and then again the next step will be grating it. Yes, you can even boil it. Yeah. So we are going to be grating our potato because we want the juice out of it. And sometimes, like when you leave it to rest, the starch will go down. Yeah, so for the cream that we are going to be making, I always prefer using the starch cream, yes, than using the juice. However, I use the juice as my cleanser on the skin, then the starch remains, I use them to make my cream, the one that we are going to be making, will be making today. Yeah, so basically that's all what I always do. Please keep around to see the process. So the next step here is to sieve out our juice or strain out our juice. Yes, if you have a blender, you can always blend it to get more juice out of your potato. Other benefits include energy booster. By the way, did you know that you can always make potato juice as your drink or juice? It has amazing benefits like energy booster, it boosts immune system, it hydrates skin if you have a dry skin. After straining out our juice, this is what we have. As you can see, the starch is already down. Yeah, as you can see, now I also have boiled potato. Yes, this is another way on how you can use your potato. You boil it, you pound it, yes, so that you can use this to apply onto your skin. Still, you can use it the way how we are going to be using the starch application. Our next ingredient that we'll be adding to our facial mask today, it is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel, it contains antioxidants, enzymes, vitamin A and C. It absorbs easily, making it an ideal for oily skin. However, it can help treat dry skin too. To get the benefits of aloe vera for your skin, you have to use it on a regular daily basis. You can use natural products that contain aloe vera. Also, it can help you lighten dark spots. Our next step here is we are going to get our grated potato juice. As you can see, I'm removing the juice out of it. That juice, I can always use it as a cleanser. Yes, you can always use it as a cleanser. And now this remaining starch is what we need for the cream. Basically, when I use this starch, the reason why how I feel like my skin has received all the nutrients and vitamins and minerals. Yes, and again, remember, I don't pour the juice away. I use it as my cleanser. I just grab a cotton ball, dip it into that juice, then you cleanse your face for 1 minute, then you wash it off immediately after like 5 minutes. Then you apply this gel that we've just made here. As you've seen, I've added in 1 full cup of aloe vera gel. Then I mixed it very well so that the aloe vera absorbs easily in our starch. So this is going to be perfect if at all you want to lighten up your skin. So this is a perfect remedy for you. So now it's time for application, and I already say this and I'll always say it. Please first wash your face, remove all the dirt, then you apply your face mask. So what you do is, this is what we're going to use, because this is now what we are going to put on our skin. Yes, if you have a cotton ball, you can use that, but I believe that when you're using your fingers, you can massage your skin very well. So when you're applying, please don't forget to apply in a circular motion. And we are going to be leaving this mask to be on our skin for 30 good minutes. Yeah, if you want positive results. If your intention to use this face mask is to brighten your skin or whiten your skin, you need to leave it for 1 hour. But if your intention is to reduce wrinkles, reduce signs of aging, reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation, reduce if you have dark spots and you want to remove dark spots, you will just need to leave it for 30 minutes. Yes. So make sure that you massage your skin or your face for at least 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, now because I'm having a veil, but if you're doing this at home, please apply from your hairline up to your chest. Yeah, up to your chest, this whole part, if you're to brighten or lighten up your skin, of course. Yeah, this whole part, so that you don't look like black people. Is this how they say? Black people, different colors. It's one people, different colors. Yeah, so don't be one people, different colors. Be one people, united. Oh, good. Okay, anyway, leave alone that. You know, sometimes I'm not good at joking, by the way, but I'm good at laughing. And one thing I know about myself is that I'm talkative. For sure, I am talkative. So I think this is what we are supposed to do. Now let's wait for it for 30 minutes. But if you want to brighten or lighten, leave it for 1 hour. Thank you for watching, and I'm sorry about the background noise. Yes, it is just beyond my control. I can't control it. It's just that in the place where I am right now, it is a very busy place, and sometimes to find time to film it is really hard. So sometimes I just have to be like a ninja and just, yes, do film, because at the end of the day I have to deliver to you, my people, because you are always expecting something from me. So thank you for watching. I really do appreciate that from you. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please join the family by subscribing. Invite your friends, why not? So this is skincare, so we should take care of our skin, whether you're a man or a woman. Yes, so this video is for all my videos are for all. I don't really specify that it's only for men. You know, sometimes men feel like the videos that I do create are only meant for women. Hell no, we all need to take care of our skins. Until next time in my new video, please don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. Stay blessed. Bye bye.